Join us this weekend for the world premiere of a brand new Time Team special, Digging the Band of Brothers. Sir Tony Robinson is back in the field with the team for the first time in 10 years.
Over here, it's just like a dodgy music festival, isn't it?
Tony and the team join forces with Operation Nightingale.
You've had some great finds out of here, haven't you?
Yeah, we have. We've had really quite exciting things.
To investigate the village of Aldbourne, home to the iconic Easy Company during the Second World War. What traces did the US paratroopers leave behind in England shortly before heading off into battle on D-Day?
Yeah. Oh, right, well, what are the chances of that?
Find out in this new feature-length special, only on the Time Team official YouTube channel.
I know where I'd rather be, don't you? Join Time Team on Patreon to access exclusive 3D models, masterclasses and behind-the-scenes insights.